How many of you got customers that will lie to you? Then stop them from lying to you. How do you guys decide what your price is on your product? How many have price objections? How many have price objections on your product? What's your product that you have a price objection on? Gray shirt, 30 in, 30 in. Yes, sir.
169, 165.
Good. Why don't you just, you get price objections at 169? Change it to 269. They're going to complain about it either way. So look, he's got a 169 product. They complain about the price. He should have a 269 product, let him complain about the price. A 469 product, complain about the price. He ought to have a $1,099 product and let him complain about the price. He ought to have a $3,999 product and let them complain about that price too. Because that's all they're going to do is complain about it.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's a lot of money. Oh my God, that's crazy. You know what he does? He goes to Whole Foods and complains about the price. They go to dinner and complain about that price. Now this gentleman back here is like, he's like, man, I sell it. Where was the guy that asked the high-end question? Long sales cycle, very professional. He's like, man, I can't do that. Why can't you, dude? Why can't you? The people that you call on, they're spending money on stuff they have fun on, right or wrong. So it doesn't matter, I'm telling you. Look, I've done $80 million deals. When we get to start laughing with people, we can do a deal. When you get people laughing, you can do a deal with them. If you're always like, I don't want to do this, I don't want to say that, I got to keep it professional, you need to be yourself. And you need to remember this, nothing you say to a customer can blow a deal, ever. Number 7, you can never blow a deal on something you said or did. You blow deals because you didn't do something. Nobody ever says, oh, I blew that deal because I didn't do something. They say, oh, I said this and it blew it. I did that and it blew it. No, it's what you didn't do that blew the deal. You didn't call, you didn't follow up, you didn't push, you didn't get them to laugh, you didn't take a chance. Okay, so I want to handle prices the myth. How many prices did I just make up? 169, 269, 469, 199. What'd you just learn about this?
It's all made up.
How many of you? It's all made up, man. All the prices you have are made up, right? You got a price objection at 169? Change the price. Who would you rather do business with, me or them? If the money was the same, who would you rather do business with?
Oh, you asking me?
That's kind of what I just did. Who would you rather buy from if the money was the same? What did I not do right there?
Ask how much.
I didn't ask him how much, what price they did give him, because he's going to lie to me. Okay, so don't ask how much it is, because that, you lose control. Everybody agree? He's going to fib. And once they fib, you're done. So who would you rather buy from if the money was the same? I never got an answer to that question. Why?
Because I like what you presented today.
Why else? Reputation. Why
Reputation. Presentation. You look more professional.
That's it?
Yes.
That's all you got?
But my main thing is they say before I even ask them, the next company last year did it for 80 bucks.
Yeah. Well, you need to stop him from saying that to you, man. Before he can say it's 80 bucks, you need to say, excuse me. Excuse me. Don't let him tell you, man.
Okay.
Don't let him tell you, because you know they're going to lie to you, man. How many of you got customers that will lie to you? Then stop them from lying to you. So when I go to do my presentation, okay, whatever it is, right, they're shopping and they're telling you, they all set it up for you. They're professional negotiators. Maybe they're getting second and third bids and they're like, okay, man, let me tell you what we got. I want a bid from you, but let me no, I don't want to know that number. It's not even fair for me to know. Let me present my number. Let me present what we do. Let me present why everybody does business with us. Let me present why we're #1 in the marketplace. Let me present why we literally crush the competition. I'll give you the names of them in just a second. And then you tell me. Okay? Now, our normal package is $120 per. Excuse me. We also have a program that we can do for $145, okay, and one for $165. How many different windows will we be doing?
About 8.
8.
8 windows.
You're at 8? Is there any way we could get to 28? Take the 8 and add a 20 to it. Do you have 28 anywhere in your portfolio? Maybe the guy owns apartments. And then he's going to say what? Hey, man, let me tell you something. You're not even in the ballpark, bro. I'm at $85, right? But at least I got to pitch my numbers first. Everybody with me? I got to pitch them without doing it. You got a price at $85? That's unbelievable. Why didn't you do it? Why didn't you do it? Shit, man, that's when you want 800 windows. I'll buy 8. Why didn't you do it, man? Why didn't you do it? By the way, if the money was the same, if I'm at 85 and they're at 85, who would you rather buy from? Okay, and then you want to find out. I'd rather buy from you. Why is that? Because I did a Yelp review and you got great reviews and they don't. Really, why else? Because my sister said I should do business with you guys. Okay, good. Why else? See, and then you're going to make a difference between the 120 and the 85, and you're going to make a decision on the 35 bucks. I'm going to sell the 35, not the 85. But most of you never get there because you don't have a format. You don't have a structure in your deal. You don't know where you're at in the deal.